Social club of Dallas, Texas. Okwa de kwano nisi de kan de ba me na de ba se de aseze bi kan na ya jemba o mala ko ora ja ka je bi si e wapu kuno is de ba je ni na ba bunde Coal City Social Club Dallas. Your father, both the chairman of the board, on Nukumado na Coal City, and they to see where it was in Malia. Papagi Bonye Zioku Onya Nana Tuezioku Jo is a straight shooter. You say it the way it is. Whether you want it or you don't want it. Your father will not say it because he want to get a drink from you. He will say it because it is the truth. Nothing but the truth. As we are here, we are telling you the legacy that your father left behind. Please do not deviate from it, because that is a symbol of what Okosi stands for. In Dallas, what we always say, who will be like Louis Okafor, Sir Louis Okafor, Okosi of Igboland? Can we say that about you? That is the question we leave for you. I stand here on the authority of the president of Coal City Social Club, Dallas. We are making this presentation. We started presentation right from the Dallas. And today we are presenting this thing before you because we know that you will have a lot of guests. Because we know that he's a great man. And when we have a combination of the drink, why we have it? Because we know that he has a diverse friends that can drink whatever. Let this celebration continue because your father is a man of the people. And make sure you don't run away from the Igbo community because that's where the life is. We tell the Ihe people that they lost a lot, a great son. The Dallas were crying. I will recognize Honorable Chris Uzichina, Okano Mayor of Oka, is the special advisor to Governor of Anambra State on special duties. I equally recognize Becca Dike, who's the PRO of Coal City. My name is Gabriel Ostadimokoye, SNW Vice President of Coal City. When you come back, your mommy is all full member of Coal City. When she moves out to go for a Coal City meeting, you know where she is going. She's not going to where you have irresponsible people. Coal City is a club that is established not only in Dallas, but many states of the United States of America. So it is not a club of local. It has gone national. So we are proud that wherever we come in, we are happy. And we say, may God bless this land as we live. And the people that reside in this land, may God bless you too. And as we are going, we know that God. Thank you.
On behalf of the Okafor family, I'd like to thank Coal City and all the members for their well wishes and condolences. It's very appreciated. Thank you.
Asim can take just 1 minute of your time. I am in Dallas. I am with the People's Club. I am here on behalf of my branch and my able chairman and chair, Sir Peter Okafor, and the People's Club branch Dallas. OPC was our first vice of the event. He was our first vice. He was including and is right behind the channel. We listen here. Noah is an executive member. We met with the family, taking care of People's Club with their own protocol. And we've done everything People's Club is required to do and is supposed to do. I just want to say, who work I will be money. To live a good life, they work very hard, and you live well.
Biko kaide menifa one thing toge anye ga na Okafor all the way from Oye Ipoli. They reside in Dallas. Thank you very dear Mrs. Philip Honora from Dallas. Mrs. Philip Honora, all the way from Dallas. A very dear best friend to Coco City family. And here. All the way it's the 19 working all the way from Dallas. On there, Mrs. Philip Honora. Because I don't know, never put in hand us. Andy, excuse. On the matter, get our dear Mrs. Philip Honora from Dallas. Nicholas of this note.
yesterday?
Yesterday, yes, confirm.
Wonderful. Welcome.
Confirm.
Your name?
Honorable, confirm.
Honorable.
Confirm.
Wonderful.
Yes.
I can see. I say the floor doesn't run in a daylight like that. The floor doesn't run in a daylight like that.
Yeah.
How do you later with the family?
No, the issue of the environment of this place, I like it. The environment of this place, it's fantastic.
You know them very well.
I know that Opposite one, South Opposite, I'll be my mentor for a very long time.
And you are not from Igbo?
No, I'm a native Bagi man from Abuja.
Oh wow, wonderful.
I'm a native Bagi man.
Of course you have to be the friend to that side.
Confirm.
Wonderful.
Confirm.
Wonderful.
Confirm.
What do you have for the family? Any word of sympathy?
No, I don't want them. My advice that they should take the full step of their father.
Thank you so much.
Because of course, it has been wonderful to everybody.
Thank you.
And in fact, when I heard about his death, I was so sad and I was shocked.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you, my able confirmed man.
Not shaking. No problem.
I can see someone behind you.
I came all the way with my friend.
Thank you.
His name is Dangwari.
Welcome.
Yes, my best man.
Welcome.
At all times, we are always together.
Thank you so much. Welcome. The most London. What do you want them work on? I think Canadian. Onwe fi na am kaso bi na nyefa.
Wọ́n yà sọ náà wọ́n yọ̀ mọ́nà jì. Ndóbi lọ wà ní ọ̀tara ẹ̀ lọ. Ọmọdé na-enye ọha. And anyị na-ayọ Chineke ka mkpụrụ obi eze ka na ndụ.
Moto, ka efi nwere ike ịgwa nwanne m nwaanyị dị na Chineke ka o mere nwanne nwoke ebe ọ nọ na.
Wee yikọ wute m, onwe wute m. Pụtara ka Chukwu na Chukwu na mgbe ndịkwa.
Yes.
Ndịkwa.
Amen.
Ka o wute m. God know the best.
Mmikpo ole gị na-ebe akwa na asị kasị ya.
God know the best.
Yes.
Ọ bụ Chukwu na mgbe ndịkwa.
Ọ ka o si.
Kesa zọ nwaanyị. Amen.
Amen. Ibudu.
Ebony, was not to compare. Yes. Economic, Chief, Louis, Chinedu, Okafo. I don't know what to do with Nina. I don't know what to do with Nina. I don't see a Chineke Gaziano. They want trouble. They want trouble. I know.
Great uncle, money on Dallas, and then one because okay, see, the other go, guys, went all here, woman, what is Abuja, what is Lagos? Now, I'm trying to see, Frank, wonderful. Agbo ego nkịtị. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know the Pacific. So now I'm very happy. Now I'm only 1 year old. Mama, get him. Get good. Thank you. Maybe time come private. Yes. Come on, Sean. Come
Good job.
Okay,
I just came.
Engineer Legend with the most busiest human being.
I just came.
Chief, you get to go. You get to walk up now. What do you want to go on the phone?
na-ete ndụ ịma na igbochi na awụ ọda bụ ote na nkịtị oge mba bụ oge mmadụ atụbi ọzọ ebe dọkịta bụ n'ihe bresa jụrụ ụmụ obodo ka anyị na-eme ihe ka ebi nwere ike ịgwa maka ihe na-eme taa
Thank you so much.
Traditional Prime Minister.
I know about Oko Silabo. Oko Sofolo, Munapa, Morocco Salapona, Umun Navane Bakwa, Man Nave Bakwa, Kavi will give a family.
Senanga, Nakas in the value. Seven swear. In the melody. Open game from car. No, ma'am. But I found
Oko ni boni ne alapuna ono wasu na gaba ruru balam abo kena bakilana aba ya dignity and their level man you humiliated yourself to make sure everything works well okay but thank you so much bye bye
Every
Come the security. Follow me. The security people are doing well. You are doing well. Chief security. Say so. I like a noon. You have been over the room, but I'm off my Manaba. Why? We all got free. I'm not doing more. There you mobile come. Cassie. The Limbakina Bakilana. Where? Or Lolo. Or not do we go? But if we go to computer.
Yes.